To visualize a wrap design in 3D Changer, your 3D model must include a proper UV map. This step is essential for ensuring that your design wraps correctly around the surface of the vehicle. Please note that there are no modeling tools available in 3D Changer. We strongly recommend that you only import high-quality 3D models, as lower-quality models may result in unrealistic visualizations or may not be importable at all. What is a UV map? A UV map is a two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional model surface. Think of it like peeling an orange and laying the skin flat. The UV map tells the software exactly how to place your 2D design onto the 3D shape. Each part of the 3D geometry, like the hood, doors, or roof, is unwrapped and arranged on a flat grid. Without a UV map, the wrap design won't know where to go, and the result will look distorted or won't appear at all. The UV map ensures your design appears exactly where you intend. How to get a model with a UV map. If you're working with a 3D artist or purchasing them online, make sure the 3D model is UV mapped and properly unwrapped. If you're unsure, ask the seller to confirm that the UV map is included and prepared for texturing or wrapping. Once you have a 3D model that's properly UV mapped, you can create your wrap design by using the UV map as a template. Firstly, export the UV layout as a 2D image, usually PNG, using 3D software like Blender. Check out our other video tutorial linked in the description. Some online shops provide the UV layouts already exported. Now open the UV layout in a graphic editor like Adobe Photoshop. You can now create your wrap design directly over this layout. Make sure the resolution is not higher than 4K and that you are using RGB channels. Keep the UV layout on a reference layer and design on a new layer above it. This helps you align graphics precisely with parts like the hood, sides, and roof. When you're finished, hide or delete the UV layout layer and export your final design as a PNG or JPEG file. Now, open the 3D Changer configurator. You can delete the default car, then go to Tools, then 3D Model, then My Library. Click the Import button on the right and select your file. Import also your wrap design. Go to Designs, select My Library. Click the Import button and select your file. After importing, you'll be able to see your model in the library. Click and hold the left mouse button for 2 seconds, then drag it to the desired location in the scene. Once you have positioned the model, release the mouse button to drop it in place. You can see it has no materials. Go to Select Part. In this section, you can see the materials slots of your 3D model. When you hover over the slot, you can see the part marked in blue. On the left, you can find a library of automotive materials. Choose a part of your model and then select a material. To visualize your design, select the parts of the model where it is supposed to be. Go to Designs, My Library, and click on your design to apply it to the 3D model. If you want to learn more about the feature of importing 3D models, check out our other video about this feature on YouTube. That's all for this video. If you need help, don't hesitate to reach out at the email address in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.